Hey again. Hope everything is going good for you. Today, the mission is to go check out that mysterious wooden door that's in the side of the mountain. Whoa. This is pretty cool. I'm not sure if this is connected to the door or not, but it reminds me that I wanted to say welcome to all the new viewers and subscribers. The last video did pretty good, close to 3,000 views. I know that's not much for a lot of people, but we just started and I was very pleasantly surprised. And there's a number of people who showed interest in seeing what's inside this door, so welcome. It should be fun. And what do you think's in there? I tend to think it's a little dwelling because there's like a chimney coming out of it, but I also think that there's something older there. The natives were using probably almost all of these alcoves and caves, and it's not too far from a pretty significant site, so I have a feeling if we look close, we'll probably see some signs of something even older. That's pretty close to a heart shape. Seems like we find one, at least one, on every adventure. Just walked by some guy and said hello, and he didn't say anything back. And then I see right here, that's the path, and you see all these bushes here. Like, someone is definitely trying to hide this path, and I don't have time to explore it today, but in the future, ow, cactus. In the future, I will come back and check this out. The macro works pretty good. I'm getting kind of far out now, so I'm gonna be more quiet just in case there's like someone up there camping out in that mysterious door. I don't want to let anyone know that I'm around. I'm just gonna go ninja style for a bit. This definitely feels like a path right here. Look at that. This pile looks a little weird. This looks bizarre. Feels like it's been mounded up on each side. Wonder if someone was growing crops here. Interesting how that all holds that up like that. It fits together pretty good. We're almost there. truth. Is anybody in there? Whoa. I'm gonna have to get the light. I gotta wonder what's going on in here. I think if this is Native American in here. Someone is studying. Well, I guess that was a little less than I was expecting, maybe, but it's in some ways it's cooler than I was expecting too. There's someone up here in 2020. Oh, someone put a water bottle on top. Gonna put my light down and look up here a little bit. Smaller than I thought it would be. For water only. Okay, wow, this is cool. Kind of scary having that above me. There's a few other little alcoves over here. Huh. Oh, that's interesting. Almost looks like there's a wall back up in there. I'll have to get the light and check that out in a minute. Oh, that is cool looking. With all those lines. That is trippy looking. Wow. Amazing geology. Alright, let's see if if we can see anything up here. I don't know if I want to go up much further. This is kind of scary. Whoa. What the heck? I thought I heard something down here, but I think it was just me kicking rocks down. Or dust, I should say. Just when I was thinking there was nothing up here, a giant cairn. And it has lichen all over it, so it's probably at least like 50, 60 years old. Oh! Despite finding that giant cairn, I'm just gonna go home because it's getting darker and colder and it's kind of dangerous this time of year, especially. I got warm clothes in my bag and everything, but I don't want to take any chances. So yeah, definitely looks a bit sus, like a check dam. I don't know, I think someone put that there. It's hard to imagine that happening naturally. I think I found the native trail. Too tired to follow it the other direction, so we'll see if it goes anywhere on the way out. At least I thought that was a trail. Oh man. Oh well. Look how mossy and licheny this one is. Beautiful. Oi, what did I get myself into? We're just in the thick of it here. What the heck is this doing out in the middle of the wilderness? I have to be careful how I show this without giving away location, because there's stuff on pretty much all sides where you could see where this is. So I'm gonna try to get low and point up. What the heck? What is this? Are they pulling water out of the ground or something? But why would the pipes go so high? I am so confused. Look at this. There's water coming out of here. Huh. Interesting. It's probably some kind of well, but seriously, this thing is at least 20 feet tall. At least. I'm gonna say maybe 25, maybe even 30 feet tall. I don't understand. I've never seen something like this before anywhere. I should almost film this with the drone to really show what it looks like. Okay, so I'm all good. I'm on my way home pretty soon. I might fly the drone a little bit, but I'm safe. I completed the mission and everything went pretty good.
All right, good to hear.
Okay, well, I'm losing light, so if there's nothing else, I'm gonna keep moving.
Hey, it's cold out. It's gonna get cold when it gets dark.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm kind of leaving a little early, or I don't know if it's early, but I just kind of got the feeling that I should get out of there now, so I'm on my way home. Okay, love you, and see you in probably, I don't know, a couple hours at the most.
Why don't you call when you get to the creek?
Okay, sounds good.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Check it on the map.
We still don't know what this is, but my dad thinks that maybe it's some kind of art installation. If you have any idea, please share in the comments. I found a bunch of more interesting looking alcoves around there, but I'm not sure there's really anything inside of them. I do think the natives were probably using them, even if they weren't like living in them. Like maybe they were just storing food or other items. Unfortunately, treasure hunters have probably already found almost everything around here. Alrighty, that's it for me. I'm on my way home, and I got out of there just in time because there's a really cold wind blowing in, and I almost lost my drone up there. It was up in a place where I don't think I would have been able to get it today because we're running out of light and it's cold, so I probably would have had to come back another time, and who knows if I would have found it or not. It was very strange. It just lost signal in a way that I've never had happen before. It like didn't give me any warning. It just went out, and then like it didn't come back like it usually does. Eventually, after I gave up and I thought it was gone, like it was probably like 5 minutes later. Usually it comes back in like a minute or so. I was just like, I had given up. I was like, my heart had sunk. I thought maybe we had lost the drone like for good, and then beep beep beep, it started coming back. I was so relieved. Oh man, quite an adventure. The main destination, the door, was maybe a little lackluster. Like I was kind of hoping it would go back in further, or there would be some obvious Native American stuff, but it was still really cool. Like it was a cool little hideout, and I found some other stuff like at the beginning of the adventure, and then some other stuff also that I'm pretty excited about, but I think I'm probably gonna sneak that into a different episode, because I saw quite a few names up on that door, and I don't want to take the chance that someone sees this video who recognizes where that door is and then somehow goes and finds the other thing that I found, which was pretty special. Very excited about that. I'm hesitant to even give a hint as to what it is because I don't want people to go looking for it, but that was super cool. One of the coolest things I've found, I think. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good, and I hope it wasn't too disappointing for you. I had a really nice time. Very grateful to be able to do this and share it. And I don't want to ramble on too long, so thank you so much for joining us. And I guess the last thing I would just say is that we got a lot more awesome stuff coming soon. Okay. Take care, everybody. And bye until next time. Oh, by the way, I did want to mention real quick that I actually did have one situation that was kind of similar with the drone over at Bradshaw Ranch. I actually had my drone possibly shot out of the sky, or some kind of weird vortex. It just like disconnected and gave me an EMF warning, like electromagnetic frequency. And some people believe that there's like a secret military base over there, and if you've seen Beyond Skinwalker Ranch, they have their drone like sent back when they try to go look in that area. It was a little bit different because that time the drone was like literally landed in a tree, and this time my drone came back to me, so I don't think it was quite the same thing, but it kind of reminded me of that. And there's some other weird stuff going on in this area that I'm confused about. But we do have that episode on Bradshaw Ranch that'll be coming at some point, and there's some interesting stuff there too. Anyways, I'm looking forward to a warm shower and a yummy meal, so see you later.